Good morning everyone. How are you all? Today our topic name is fractions, decimal and mixed number from page number 87. We did already last class we already explained about the how to change from the mixed numbers to improper and improper to mixed number, right? So this is the topic name. So now before we start the questions from the book, I am going to explain you if you have a picture, any picture, how to write the mixed number, how to write the picture mixed number. Okay, so write each as a mixed number. Look at the diagram. This is the diagram. There are two, right or no, two diagrams in one picture. But if you look at here, this is the full, right or no, it's a full. Whatever you have, there are three square, but it's full. Whenever full means it's a one. Now in this one, how many parts are there? Total there are three parts. Write it down. And how many are shaded? Two. So 1, 2 over 3. Here 1, 2 over 3. If you change it to mix it to improper, check it. 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 2 how much? 3 plus 2 is 5 by 3. So check it. It's a 5 places are shaded or not. That's why. Clear? Now the second one. This is full. This is also full. So this is full means it's a 1. It's a 1. And this also full means it's a 1. Always the full one you can consider as a 1. Why it is considered as a 1? I will explain you. Because total there are 4 squares. Out of 4 all are shaded. That means 4 by 4 means what? It's 1. Clear? And this is what? 1. So 1 plus 1 how much? It's 2. Now in this one there are total 4 squares. So write it down. Out of 4 1 is shaded. So 1 by 4. So 2 1 by 4. Okay, one more time explain in another way. This one is the 4 by 4, right? 4 over 4 plus this also 4 by 4 plus this one is what? There are 4 squares. Out of 4 1 is shaded. So 4 by 4 means I just now explained you it's 1. Whenever numerator denominator is same, it's a 1. So 1 plus 1 how much? 2. 2 and 1 over 4. Now look at here. This one is what? This is the 1 full. Here also 1 full. Here also 1 full. So 3. And this one total 5 squares. Out of 5, 3 squares are shaded. So 3 by 5. So 3 by 5. Clear? Now one more example. This one is what? Which mixed number go in the boxes? That means here we look at the picture and we write the mixed number. Now here we look at the number line and we have to write the mixed number. So how to write? First of all, check it from 0 to 1. How many gaps are there? This is the first thing. How many gaps are there? How many gaps? Wherever you start, the point should be 0. You know that. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The total gaps are 5. So the total gaps are 5 means that should be in the denominator. So denominator is the 5. Now this is the 1 is already totally completed. 1 is the whole number because the arrow is between 1 and 2. It's between. It's not exactly but somewhere it's a between. So 1 is full. So in this one now the total is 5. Why? Because from here to here total 5 gaps. So check it from 1 to this number is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 gaps. So 5 is the denominator. Now after 1, which place is the arrow? The first place. That means 1 by 5. So 1 by 5. Similar now check it this one. Again this one number is 1 and 2. So which is the every time write the full whole number is the first one. First before number. So 1 total divide how much? 5 total from 1 to 2 how many? 5 parts. Out of 5 which part is the arrow? It's a 3. 1, 2, 3. So 1 3 by 5. Next one is this one. Now 2 is the total complete number. That means that the whole number 2 and total gaps are 5 only. Every time in the number line the gap should be equal. If at the beginning it is 5 means everywhere is the 5 gaps only. 5 and where is the arrow? From the 2 it's the second place. So 2 by 5. Now this one is what? 2 4 by 5. Why? Because 1 2 3 4. So 4 by 5. Now here the before number is the 3 because between the 3 and 4 the arrow is between 3 and 4. So every time write the before number, that's 3. Now the total parts are 5. Where is the arrow? From the 3. So from 3 to here is the 1 2 and 3 third place. So 3 by 5. So 3 by 5. Next this one. Now total parts are 5. Write it denominator. Whole number is the 3. Now which place after 3? 1 2 3 4. So 4 by 5. 4 by 5. Clear? Now look at that. Which two fractions are equivalent to 0.7? Equivalent to 0.7. Which two fractions equal to 0.7? 0.7 means we know that it's 7 by 10. Why? Because remove the decimal. It means 7. For the decimal, write it 1. After decimal, 1 number. So 10. 7 by 10. So here's the 7 by 10 as it is. It's 1 by 70. Wrong. It's 70 by 100 also equal. Why? Because in one's place, I can cancel 0 and 0. So it's the same. So 7 by 10 as it is only. Clear? So your homework is page number 87, question number 5, A, B and C. A, B, and C. I hope you understand today's class work. If you have any more questions, you can ask me in the next class. Thank you.